Hello and welcome back to another great video. Today I want to present you my new FA20 closed deck conversion kit. Machen wir den Lüftungsdieter hier mal aus. Okay, ich muss ganz hysterisch amerikanisch wirken. Total übersteuert. Ja, die übersteuern doch alle. It is so awesome!
Look at this. This is quite awesome what I did.
What a beautiful feeling!
What a feeling! He's been here. Wie lange brauchst du noch? Ich muss nach Hause.
Ja.
Ich muss in mein Kinderzimmer. Soll ich dir die Kamera machen? Kameramann machen?
Ja.
Ich korrigiere dich einfach immer live. Nein, das heißt nicht Num, sondern awesome.
Awesome.
Das läuft ja schon.
Avesam.
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 Boah, die Linse ist aber mal sauber.
Alter. Guck mal, spiegelt das? Guck mal, ob da so ein Schlier ist.
Nein, das sieht ziemlich gut aus.
Hello and welcome back to another great video. Today I want to present you my new FA20 closed deck conversion kit. You see here, normally that's a complete open deck design, and here we closed it with my special cooling ring. That is much better for your combustion chamber temperature. So you can drive a much better ignition timing, and so you have a better performed engine. So that's why you have to order this engine case and not another one. And I said thank you for watching and bye bye. Ciao. Nein, ich bin noch nicht fertig. Good. I want to show you a little bit here how the water flow design is here designed. The water comes from here. Here's a water pump, so like this, through this channel here, in the top to the cylinder head, and from the cylinder head back here through this hole, and here is a water pipe. So when you don't have here at the top area not this ring or these small channels, the top area isn't cooled, so you have a bad performed engine. That's why we do that here, and you'll see it here on the EJ. That's here, it's EJ25. It is quite the same, and we checked with two different cars the performing of the engine, and it is more than 20 horsepower at the top area when you have hot intake temperature. So do it like this and everything will be fine. And if you want to boost your FA20 engine, so your Subaru BRZ, Toyota GT86, or I think the FA20 is in a WRX in America. So that's a quite good option. And let me know if you have another question, write me an email. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Ciao und bye bye.
Das geht immer aus, Nutte.
Übelst ätzend, das Ding. I forget why we do this closed deck conversion. When the deck design is complete opened, the cylinder liner is not really stable at high RPMs or a lot of boost. It starts to bouncing or vibration or something like this. Then you have always head gasket problems, like you maybe know from the EJ25. It isn't the bad head gasket, it is the vibration of the cylinder head. Not cylinder head, of the liner or verfickte Scheiße. Not cylinder head, of the top area of the liner. And when it is super heavy, it all cracks or another bad things have. Boah, Alter, ich bin durch. Warte, hör auf zu lachen. And when it is super heavy, the cylinder liner can be cracked. Could crack, nein, can crack. Ne? Ja.
Could crack, could.
And when it is super heavy, the cylinder liner could crack, but sometimes happens. But with this nice closed deck, it don't happen. Trust me. Or you give him how much boost? Say it in PSI, Director. How much PSI? 5 bar?
Was? 5 bar?
Schwachsinn.
Ich
rede Schwachsinn. Ich wollte dir wissen, was 5 bar in PSI sind, aber ist egal. Nein, lass, ist egal. Oh, jetzt habe ich vergessen, wo ich stehen bleibe. Jetzt habe ich komplett vergessen, wo ich war.
Ein optisches Camtiming mache ich. Ist doch geil. Weil ich schräg das nicht hingekriegt habe, das einfach sauber abzuschneiden.